Hi everybody, happy Monday. Today we'll be making some bear-shaped pancakes and a fruit salad on the side.
Remember to wash your hands before cooking anything. These are our ingredients. First, add all of your dry ingredients to a bowl and mix, and then add all your wet ingredients to a bowl and mix. Now, combine both and mix. Add oil or butter to the pan and set your stove to medium-high. Add your mixture to the pan and start making your pancakes. You're going to want 2 large pancakes and 5 small pancakes. Before flipping, make sure you see little bubbles on top of the pancakes. Pancakes should be around golden brown. Now for decoration. Add pancake ears, banana mouth, and eyes. For the next bear, add pancake eyes and an apple nose and bow. Add any 3 fruits to a bowl for a healthy side snack.
I chose a peach, plum, and the banana from before. Hope you enjoyed. Tell us what you want to make next.